how to install VMware on Windows 11. So in order to install VMware, let's first open up our browser. From here, type download VMware, open up the first link, scroll it down, and choose your platform. If you have Windows, tap on the Try Workstation Player for Windows, and if you have Linux, just go to the Linux tab. For now, I'm going to go with the Windows one, and the installer file will be downloaded in a while, and it will depend on your internet speed. And after the file is downloaded, double tap on the installer and the installation file will open. After this, just follow the procedures and you would be able to install VMware on Windows 11. And here you can see the VMware Workstation is installed, and from here you would be able to use the workstation. So if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Thank you.